Do you know what a subpoena duces tecum is? You don't? Come join me, I'll tell you what it is. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. A subpoena is a document that compels somebody to do something. A subpoena duces tecum is a Latin phrase that basically says, we want you to provide us with copies of the medical records, or the original record. And we use that as we're getting close to trial and we want to bring in the patient's records or somebody else's medical records or document into court. And now it compels the office to actually prepare those documents, send it to the court with a copy of this document known as a subpoena. It will allow us to get records admitted into evidence without having to get a witness from the doctor's office or from the hospital to certify that these are accurate and true records. So the subpoena is nothing more than a document to compel you to do something. Now, if we are serving this particular document on a municipality or a hospital owned by a municipality, then we are required to get a judicial signature, a court signature, to give it greater weight and greater authority. Otherwise, that hospital will ignore the subpoena and say that it's not appropriate, and then we have to do it all over again. Now, the subpoenas themselves, that document has to be delivered to the person or to the office in a particular manner. And if it's not done correctly, we run the risk of having it rejected and then having to do it all over again. So there are people that we use who literally make a living out of delivering those type of legal documents. They are known as process servers. And they are familiar with the methods of properly delivering these documents to people that we need records from or we need their personal appearance from. So why do I tell you this? I tell you this because chances are you want to learn about these types of cases here in the state of New York. You want to learn about malpractice cases, negligence cases, wrongful death cases. Well, you've come to the right place. But this video just gives you one little tip and insight into how the cases proceed throughout the course of litigation. And what I encourage you to do is if you have legal questions, pick up the phone and call me. This is what I do every single day. I answer legal questions just like yours, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski in New York. Thanks for watching.